Hello, this is Christina from Nexus. We had a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, second and third story at 41 Gilbert Street in Framingham. We're starting our tour in the first bedroom on the second floor. This used to be a kids' room. You can remove all those stickers if you needed to. Nice, bright, as you can see, and brand new carpet. Anywhere you see carpets throughout the unit, those are new. Nice vinyl floors, everyone else. Next is bathroom. Notice all those cabinets. That is pretty unusual. You have the toilet area and then a full bath with a tub. Next, we are going to the second bedroom. Has 2 doors, so you can choose which way you enter. Again, brand new carpet. Nice big closet. From here, our next step is a small hallway. The stairs downstairs lead to the exit to the first floor. Closet, front balcony. Nice quiet street. This is an afternoon in Framingham. From here, we're going to the third floor, which you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath with a shower. Straight ahead, bedroom 3. This is the heating and cooling system for this floor. Very nice, bright. Lots of closets for the hallway. To our left, nice bathroom with a standing shower. Notice the nice tile. This looks very nice and upscale. Nice vinyl floor for all this level. This is the fourth bedroom. Not a spacious area. Backyard. Now we're going down back to the second floor. This unit is self-contained, so no one else uses those staircases. Dryer. This is a shared staircase going down. Back deck. You get 1 spot in the driver and 1 garage, so you can park up to 2 cars. This is the back entry door with a lock to this unit. Entering the kitchen, brand new cabinets, brand new stove and a vent. Nice, bright, lots of light. And brand new dishwasher. From here we enter the dining room area. Another bright, good sized room. To our left is where the bathroom was. Next is living room. The second floor is central heating, and there's AC in the window. And from here we are back to the front porch area. Thank you.